the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror, he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find
that's why I'm always just like,
it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
I find funerals are the quintessential, someone thinks they're closer to you than they are. And they always say something that you're like, oh, we're not like this. Like, that makes no sense when you get that conversation.
2 to 3 days after, everybody says, what do we need, what we get for you, and then 2 days later, like,
oh yeah.
nobody calls you.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I had a cousin who is he just buried his he was almost 101 with his grandmother, who he grew up with. And without the grandmother, he was really nice with this one. I just like shook. I just like, that's all I did. I just was like, I'm here, but I couldn't say anything. Because I was like, oh, you just called the whole thing. And it was a huge thing.
No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. So what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. What breaks after math, when I hate, I attack.
Versus going back to God and back to blah, 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 blah.
There's an organization in St. Louis, Missouri. It's called Now I Know You Want to See.
You look up at this week?
It's okay. So this is a whole graphic organization where there's 3 departments I really do. Like I send my portfolio and I'll up to this. So if you know what baby's going to pass, you go with the parents and hospital and take photographs so that the memories of the child. And I got so far as putting the portfolio together, getting it approved, and then the auditor said, I don't think you can do this. I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do this over and over.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no